Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In previous video we have seen how we can publish pages in WordPress. And in this video we will learn how to edit pages. To edit pages, click on Pages. After that click on All Pages. Now here you will see your all pages. For now if I want to edit computer page, I will simply move my cursor hovers on the pages. Then few options get displayed below computer. Edit and quick edit. Click on edit option. And now here you can edit or change the content or title from the page as per your need, and then click on update button. Now let's go back. Click on quick edit option. In quick edit option, you can only edit the title, slug, and date of the computer page and can also select the parent for your page. And then click on update button. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.